I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash your Tesla Model Y. First, give your vehicle a good pre-rinse to knock off any loose dirt and grime. This is a crucial step to prevent scratching. Next, set up your two-bucket system, one with a gentle, pH-neutral car wash soap and the other with clean water for rinsing your wash mitt. This method significantly reduces the risk of swirling and scratching your beautiful paintwork, keeping it looking pristine. Now let's get to the actual washing. Always work from the top of your Model Y downwards, tackling one section at a time. Use a soft microfiber wash mitt and gently glide it across the surface. Remember to frequently rinse your mitt in the clean water bucket to prevent reintroducing dirt onto the paint. This two-bucket approach, combined with light pressure, is key to a scratch-free wash and maintaining that glossy finish. After washing, a thorough rinse is essential. Start from the top and work your way down, making sure every bit of soap is completely gone. An open-ended hose can help sheet water off, reducing the amount of drying needed. Immediately follow up with a high-quality, plush microfiber drying towel. Gently blot or drag the towel across the surfaces to absorb water, preventing unsightly water spots and streaks from forming on your Model Y's paint. To complete your wash, don't forget the wheels and tires. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner and separate brushes to get them sparkling. Once clean, apply a good tire dressing to give your tires a rich, dark finish and protect them from the elements. Finally, for an extra layer of shine and protection, consider a quick spray wax or sealant. This will help keep your Tesla Model Y looking fantastic and make future washes even easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.